One morning, the city woke up to silence. No chirping at dawn, no wings cutting through the sky. The birds were gone. At first, no one noticed. Too busy, too distracted, but the silence grew louder. Without birds, insects overran the fields, crops failed, the balance was broken. The signs were always there. Trees cut down, air polluted, habitats lost. They warned us, but we didn't listen. What if we woke up tomorrow and the birds were gone? What else would we lose? When nature disappears, so does balance. Save our planet. Save Earth now.